I'm sitting here at the vortex and I'm being energized by Guru Sanju. And what I just experienced was mind blowing, literally. Energy shot out through the top of my head, and it was like a palm tree, and then I felt that it came back down outside of me. So, truly incredible. Thank you.
Close your eyes again.